The charts say that Bitcoin's going to go down further. Are they right? And what are they saying? And what are the factors that could, in fact, drive Bitcoin further down? Or is there an opportunity for a bounce and actually a rally towards the end of the year? Let's have a look at the factors. Well, if you look at the chart, you'll see a slope all the way down. Okay, but don't forget, charts are charts, and actually you can interpret them in different ways. In my personal opinion, many people look at charts and they're, of course, not always right. But let's look at the factors when we look at Bitcoin. First of all, we're coming to September. Last 5 years, every September, Bitcoin's gone down. Is that a reason? Well, of course, it's done 5 consecutive years down. In other words, sentiment in that particular month of the year appears to be negative. But does that really matter? Because actually, it gives the odds perhaps improving for it to go down, but it's not always right. We look at other factors and we see that Bitcoin has lost some confidence. It's already 50% down this year and it's performing less than Ethereum. So when people look at it, and Ethereum, of course, is this month going to a new stage, could that, of course, become the more popular crypto for people to purchase, particularly in September? And will we see that further erosion of the domination of Bitcoin? Okay, and the third reason, and perhaps the most important one to look out for, in my personal opinion, is the dollar going to go stronger? Okay, so when we look at it and we look at the dollar goes up and Bitcoin's gone down. Okay, and the reverse has also happened. So right now we've got a super strong dollar. Okay, it should be that Bitcoin is an equivalent of gold. But in fact, if we look at actually what's happened, it's been an alternative to the dollar. So when the US government were printing or adding digitally lots of US dollars, we saw Bitcoin go up. In fact, it went up by a large amount. But then we've seen the reverse. As we've seen tightening, interest rates go up, we've seen Bitcoin go down and dollar go up. So right now, Jerome Powell, he's going to be talking, he's going to be hawkish, he's going to be talking about more tightening. He's trying to squeeze inflation out. Will that have an effect on Bitcoin? Okay, or will we see that inflation, now that it's flattened to some extent based on the last month's stats, that people start now to sell off the dollar and invest back into Bitcoin? Okay, it's going to be interesting. If you're interested in Bitcoin, like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I'll put out information on what's happening. My personal opinion is, yes, there's some downside, but we're going to get a rally before the end of the year. So sell at your peril. Okay, you might make some money because it may well dip. Okay, but expect the trend to continue upwards towards the end of the year. That's my personal opinion. If you like Bitcoin, please like the video, make sure you subscribe, and please share the video with other people.